What's up, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Sinister Clutch here. Looks like it might rain. Hopefully I can get this vlog in. So today I wanted to talk about how do you ride? And what I mean by that is, how do you ride in a group? I thought about this topic because today I was out grabbing some lunch and I saw two guys riding, and they were right next to each other. And they were going down a main street of a small town, and that's something I've seen mostly on the interstate. Either way, I don't really understand it. Maybe I'm crazy, but it seems dangerous to me. I've always been taught by other riders, friends, and I took a motorcycle safety course. I've always been taught you need to stagger, which makes sense. What if you're riding, you don't know when you're going to come up on some debris, something falls off of a truck hauling a trailer, and something falls off it, a semi blows out a tire, you got a gator in the road. If you don't know what gator is, that's a piece of a tire. So I've never understood, you see people riding down the interstate side by side. How is that not dangerous? And I'm just kind of looking for comments. Is that something you do? Why do you do it? Or you're like me, you just don't understand it. I ride safe, and to me that's not safe. You never know what could happen. Something could happen to somebody's motorcycle that you're riding with. Maybe they have a tire blowout or something, Now, I went out on a group ride one Saturday, I believe it was, and there was some people joined us for the group ride. Now, there was some people there that I knew, and there was some people there I didn't know. Well, these three individuals, they joined us, and I'm all for anybody and everybody joining, go for a ride, and I just want to ride. Stop and get some lunch, ride back, split off. So one of the three guys, two things happened. I'm going into a curve, crossing railroad tracks. So it wasn't like I was hitting a sweeping curve or a switchback or anything. It was kind of like slowed down into a curve, and he takes the curve right beside me. I don't like that. Like, dude, stay back, stagger. Why are you in a rush? What's going to happen when you cross those railroad tracks, or get past that curve? Doesn't really make much sense to me. So I'm like, okay, whatever, I'll let it go. So we're coming back from getting lunch, and we stopped to get gas. We're getting ready to slow down and make a right turn, and here comes this guy, like right down the yellow line here onto oncoming traffic, passes me probably about our grips are probably about an inch apart, freaks me the hell out. And I didn't say anything to the guy. I wanted to, but I'm laid back. If you ever meet me, I'm super laid back, easygoing, and I try not to let bad stuff, negativity get to me, because you ain't gonna ruin my day. That's just the way it is, But anyway, needless to say, that guy never rode with us again, because I made sure that I told other people I rode with, that guy's dangerous. But yeah, I mean, I can't ride with people like that. I just can't do it. If you're acting crazy, I'll run off and leave you. I mean, if I'm with a group and people are acting nuts, I'm gone. When you're getting ready to turn, I'll go straight. I'll go do my own thing. Maybe that's wrong, I don't know, but I'm all about safety, and I'm not going to risk my life or be a part of risking other people's life, you know, just because people don't want to kind of, I don't know if I would say rules, but just, you know, just to try to stay safe, not only for you, but other people. Not even just motorcycles. You got other cars, they got cars on the road, and what if you run into them? You know? So that's kind of my rant about how you ride. Just because I saw two guys doing that today, and it just kind of, I don't know, it just kind of bothered me. But that's kind of a little short video I wanted to talk about. Just curious what everybody else does. I mean, if I'm crazy for thinking that way, you let me know, because I'm an open-minded person, and hell, just let me know. You know, maybe there's a reason people do that. I don't know. Every time I see something like that, I'm thinking, man, this ain't Sons of Anarchy. I'm like, you know, not that I don't like Sons of Anarchy, but it's like, I don't know. But I get, like, if I'm like pulling up to a stop sign or something, and yeah, somebody could be next to me, I'm not saying that, I'm just talking about you're going like 70 80 miles an hour down the interstate and somebody's right next to you. And no, if you do that to me, I'm gonna hit the brakes, say go on, I don't need you by me, or I'll pull off. But I don't know, again, I need to quit ranting about it, ranting and raving. just my thoughts for the day, Friday thoughts. I do appreciate everybody coming along with me, listening to me ranting and raving. But stay safe out there, ride safe. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you're like me, always rip the ride.